Right, as you can see, I am missing something very important. I'm missing half the Jeep. What I did is I released all the bolts, took the steering wheel and the pedals out, and then I put the arms of the lift above the Jeep, tied them up to the body, and lifted it. So under there was the chassis and the engine. We just rolled it out and towed it up the hill and round, and as you can see, there it is, and brought it on this side, which means we can work directly onto the engine and everything with no problems. That's the wrong exhaust on it. It has an exhaust that comes out the side like that, you see. And good thing is we have that one to compare to, and we can keep checking it. And we cleaned it up a bit, brushed it, blew it off outside, put some oil, just penetrating oils so that we don't crack the 70-year-old spark plugs into the engine. I don't think so. No, they probably knew anyway. But the engine turns, and I think it's all right. Of course, that backside is not original. It's been welded on. You can see the seams there. Yeah, that's original. You see it's skewed there, right? And the front bit is, you see, that's the original there. That has been added, and the front has been added, and this winch has been added too. So we're gonna slowly take it back to original. And that's it. Sorry. Backing up with a camera into a... See you mates, have a great weekend. It's Friday, by the way. Friday! Yeah!